Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to integrate HubSpot with Gmail. This is a great way to streamline your sales and marketing process and improve your team's productivity. So let's start. First, you'll need to have a Slack account and a GitHub account. Once you have those set up, log into your HubSpot account, then click on this market icon at the top. Then in this menu, select App Marketplace. In this search bar, search for Gmail and click on it. You simply need to install this app into HubSpot by clicking this button. Then after that, your HubSpot account will now be integrated with your Gmail account. Another way of doing this integration is by using Zapier. Go to zapier.com and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one for free. Once you log in, click on this Create Zap button in the top left corner of the screen. Here, first change the name of the Zap. I'll name it HubSpot with Gmail. Next, search for HubSpot as your trigger app and select the trigger that you want to use. For example, you can choose New Contact. This means that every time a new contact is added to your HubSpot account, it will trigger the integration. After that, click on Continue. Here, connect your HubSpot account and click on Continue. Next, select the additional properties to retrieve, then select on Continue. After that, that's your trigger to confirm that the right account is connected and that your trigger is set up correctly. Once the contact was found, click Continue to proceed. Now let's move on to Gmail. Search for Gmail and select the action that you want to use. For example, you can choose Send Email. This means that every time a new contact is added to the selected list in HubSpot, Zapier will automatically send an email to that contact from your Gmail account. After that, click on Continue. Here, you'll need to connect your Gmail account to Zapier as well. Once you've connected your Gmail account, Zapier will ask you to set up the action. Simply click on the fields and select the appropriate data from HubSpot. Once you're done, test the Zap to make sure it is working properly. If it is, you can now publish the Zap and turn it on. Then start automating your workflow. So that's it. If you wanted to know how to integrate HubSpot with Gmail, that is the easiest way I know how. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, kindly give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much and see you on the next video.